12 powerful foods with no carbs. The secret to effortless weight loss. What if I told you that right now, thousands of people are transforming their bodies and health using foods you probably walked right past in the grocery store today? These 20 powerful foods contain no carbs or sugar, yet they helping people lose stubborn weight, control diabetes, and even reverse chronic inflammation. The most shocking part? You've probably been avoiding some of these foods, thinking they weren't good for weight loss. Did you know there's a common vegetable that contains a compound so powerful it can actually help prevent vision loss as you age? Or that another everyday green leaf contains the same compound found in expensive anti-aging creams? Today, I am revealing the scientific secrets behind 20 zero-carb superfoods that could completely transform your health. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. How many times have you tried dieting only to feel hungry, restricted, and eventually give up? The problem isn't you, it's that nobody told you about these satisfying, delicious foods that can actually help you lose weight without counting calories. Let's change that today. Section 1. Leafy Powerhouses. Let's start with the most powerful yet underrated foods. 1. Arugula. Contains cancer-fighting glucosinolates. 2. Spinach. Rich in nitrates that improve blood flow. 3. Kale. Packed with vision-protecting carotenoids. 4. Radicchio. Supports healthy pregnancy with folate. What makes these greens special isn't just their low-carb content. It's their unique ability to trigger your body's natural detoxification systems. Section 2. Hidden Gems. Now, let's explore some surprising additions. 5. Spaghetti squash. Nature's zero-carb pasta. 6. Asparagus. Boosts red blood cell production. 7. Mushrooms. Contains immune-boosting beta-glucans. 8. Olives. Rich in heart-protective compounds. The key is understanding how to combine these foods for maximum benefit. Section 3. Everyday Heroes. These next foods are probably in your kitchen right now. 9. Cucumber. Contains anti-cancer cucurbitacin. 10. Celery. Reduces inflammation naturally. 11. Broccoli. Rich in sulforaphane for brain health. 12. Cauliflower. Protects your digestive tract. Each one contains unique compounds that work together to enhance your health. Here's how to start using these foods. Morning. Start with leafy greens in your smoothie. Lunch. Build a power bowl with 4 to 5 zero-carb vegetables. Dinner. Replace pasta with spaghetti squash. Snacks. Cucumber slices with olives. The key is combining different foods to get various beneficial compounds. Imagine waking up a month from now, looking in the mirror and seeing a healthier, more energetic version of yourself. These 20 foods could make that happen, but you need to start now. In next week's video, I'll reveal the exact meal plan that combines these foods for maximum fat burning. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Your health transformation starts with your very next meal. Comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. Which of these foods will you add to your next grocery list?